Franklin Barbecue, a meat smoking manifesto. Aaron Franklin, Jordan Mackay. Aaron Franklin's Franklin Barbecue, a meat smoking manifesto is more than a cookbook. It's a deep dive into the soul of Texas barbecue. With co-author Jordan Mackay, Franklin takes readers on a journey that begins not with recipes, but with reverence for wood, for fire, and for the patience that transforms simple meat into smoky perfection. His story starts modestly, from a backyard hobby in Austin to the lines that now form daily outside his legendary restaurant. But beneath the myth lies a craftsman's obsession, an endless pursuit of balance between smoke, heat, and time. Franklin teaches that great barbecue is built, not improvised. The foundation is the fire. He explains how to select the right wood, post oak for clean, steady heat, and how to manage the airflow that keeps the fire alive without bitterness. Every pit, he says, has a personality. Knowing it is like knowing a friend. He describes how to read the signs, the color of the smoke, the whisper of a flame, the feel of a brisket under your palm. His approach demystifies the process, showing that mastery is not about tricks, but about awareness. The heart of the book is the brisket, Franklin's masterpiece. He breaks it down with the precision of a sculptor, explaining the anatomy of the cut, the role of fat, and the science of rendering. He walks readers through trimming, seasoning, just salt and pepper, and the long, patient smoke that follows. His mantra is restraint. Let the meat and smoke do the talking. The goal isn't to mask flavors, but to reveal them, layer by layer, until they tell their own story. Beyond technique, a meat smoking manifesto is a meditation on craft and community. Franklin writes of early mornings tending the pit, of the camaraderie among pitmasters, and of the quiet satisfaction that comes from serving something made with care. He reminds readers that barbecue isn't fast food. It's a ritual that connects people to place, to tradition, and to each other. Even the sides, pickles, slaw, beans, are treated as harmony in a larger composition. In the end, Franklin's message is simple but profound. Great barbecue is not about perfection. It's about respect for the ingredients, for the process, and for the people who gather to enjoy it. His manifesto is both guide and gospel, teaching that true mastery lies not in speed or spectacle, but in patience, humility, and love for the smoke that binds it all together.